Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to block unknown callers on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to block unknown callers on your iPhone is go ahead and open the settings app. On iOS 17 or earlier, locate and click on the phone app. On iOS 18 or later, click on apps. Now scroll down the apps page and click on phone. Now, once you click on phone, scroll down. On iOS 18, locate and enable silence unknown callers, and that is going to help you to block spam calls or unknown callers on your iPhone. On iOS 26, scroll down to where you see calls from unknown numbers, and then turn on screen incoming calls. Calls from unsaved number will be hacked for more information before iPhone rings. And again, come to call filtering and turn on move to unknown callers. Missed calls and voicemail from unsaved number will be silenced and move to the unknown caller list. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to block unknown callers on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.